This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the reel to the rod and confirming each guide is straight. A misaligned guide causes wind knots. Once done, choose line strength suited to target fish and spool it evenly, preventing pressure lapses. Make sure to open the reel bail and thread the line through the nearest guide, leaving a 12 to 18-inch tag for tying. This first step controls tension and alignment, so take a breath and keep the line flat against the rod as you feed it through. You now feed the line from the lower guides toward the tip, maintaining light tension with your thumb on the spool so wraps are neat. As you move, use a smooth wrist motion. This prevents twists and ensures the line seats centrally in each guide. Make sure to intermittently check guide alignment and clear any debris or snags. A single catch will create friction and weaken casts. Once the line reaches the tip, pause and smooth any overlapping wraps so the line runs true. You finish by tying the line securely to the spool using an arbor or improved clinch knot, trimming the tag to a small fraction of an inch. Then wind 20 to 30 firm wraps under light tension so the line beds evenly. Test the drag and make a short practice cast to confirm smooth release. If you see twists or loops, open the bail, pull line to the tip, and flip the rod to let the line untwist. Replace the line if kinks or abrasions remain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.